how to use focus mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you getting too many notifications on your iPhone? Focus mode helps you reduce distractions while working, studying, sleeping, or driving. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use focus mode on iPhone. Let's dive right in. So you need to head over to settings and then scroll down and go to focus. Now, focus mode is a feature that lets you control notifications, calls, app access, lock screens based on what you're doing. You can see built in modes like do not disturb, sleep, work, personal, and driving. Or you can also create your own custom focus mode. You just need to tap on the plus icon in the top right, and then you can create something like fitness, gaming, mindfulness, reading, or just add in custom. So I'll just put in dancing, put in color of your choice, put in icon of your choice, and then once you've done that, hit next and tap on customize focus. Then you can customize people you want to silence notifications from, apps that you want to silence notifications from. You can customize your home screen and lock screen according to the focus mode. You can also turn on smart activation, automatically turn dancing focus on at 11 times throughout the day based on signals like your location, app uses, and more. And you can also add filters, like focus filters help you remove distractions from apps when the focus is on. So this is how it works. You can just toggle it on and you are set to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.